Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a bracket profile in Autodesk Inventor sheet metal and create its flat pattern. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to new, take a sheet metal part in millimeter and go to create. Now from here select 2D sketch and click on XY plane. This will be the front plane. Now from here select center point arc. Select the center point and construct an arc. Okay. Now go to dimensions and give this arc a dimension of 18 mm. Okay. And the dimension of these points will be 22 mm. Okay. Now as you can see, these are not symmetric. Go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. Okay. Now they are in a same line. Now go to arc command once again. This time we will select 3-point arc. From this point make an arc. Okay, go to dimensions, give this a dimension of 5 mm and make it tangent constraint. Select this arc, select this. Okay, now go to line command, select this line and make a line of 15 mm. Escape. Go to tangent constraint once again, select this line and select this arc. Okay, now we will make a line command, we will make a line at middle. Okay, escape. Select this line and make it a construction geometry. Now mirror the profiles, go to mirror, mirror this arc and this line, mirror line, this will be the center line, will be the mirror line and apply. Done. Now finish sketch and go to counter flange, go to front view. You can see the flange is being made inside the sketch. So now we want a mid plane extrude. It is like extrude. So the distance here will be 20. This flange will be a total length of 20 mm and okay. Okay. Now we will define its thickness. Go to sheet metal default. From here you can see the by default thickness is 0.5 mm. So uncheck this and here define thickness of, change it to 1.5 mm and apply. Okay, now you can see the thickness has increased here. Now we will make it all round. For that go to corner round. Here give a radius of 10 mm. Go to corner, select this edge, select this edge. Now rotate the profile, select the backside edges and okay. Now you can see this is all round profile. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Now go to circle command. Here select here. You will see the center point. From this center point make a die of 8.2 circle. Now finish sketch and go at 3D model. Go to extrude, flip its direction. This will cut the profiles and okay. Now we want to make this cut. For this we will first unfold the sheet. So go to sheet metal, go to unfold, home view and select this face as stationary face and here click add all bends. So it will provide you the unfold sheet and okay. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Now from here select center to center slot, make a slot over here. Now go to dimensions, the center to center distance will be 25 mm and the radius here will be of 4 mm. Okay. Now make it constraint, go to vertical constraint, select this midpoint and select midpoint of slot. Now go to horizontal constraint, here you will see this is the midpoint by yellow dot and midpoint of slot. Now this is fully defined sketch, you can see here fully constrained. Now finish sketch and go to cut command, it will cut up to thickness and OK. Now we will refold this, so go to refold, select this as stationary face and click here add all winds and OK. Now it will provide back the original profile. So this is the original profile. Now you can assign it a color or material. From here you can see I will take chrome polished. Okay. Now for flat pattern, just click here create flat pattern. So it will provide you the flat pattern of the sheet required to make this part. Go back to the folded part. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a bracket in Autodesk Inventor sheet metal. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos.